Hello. And so, during the last YGP seminar, there was a motion to establish the YGP and CRUP chapter. And what is your stand on this? And would you agree dun sa isa pang motion na if ever matuloy ito, yung G-Reps, yung tata yung chair and vice chair nung chapter na yun?
Regarding na sa YGEP seminar, nung nag-present kami ng SPOA kay Sir Blanco, sabi niya naman, okay lang na magkaroon ng YGEP UP chapter. And tungkol dun sa pagiging officers ng GEREFs,
tungkol sa pagiging officers ng GRFs, ang stand namin dyan is to give freedom to the students na sila ang pumili kung sino talaga yung gusto nilang iboto as representatives ng GE department with the YGEP. So, magkakaroon na lang ng election with that and we will consult that to the students also.
para mabigyan din natin ng venue yung mga unaffiliated, pati yung mga different orgs sa ating department. Yung sa YGEP na